This is an Alberta emergency alert. Government of Alberta has issued a public health alert. This alert is in effect for Alberta. New COVID-19 restrictions are in effect for the following hotspot regions: Fort McMurray, Red Deer, Grand Prairie, Calgary, Airdrie, Strathcona County, Lethbridge, Edmonton, and St. Albert. Please follow the rules. Get vaccinated and go outdoors to safely socialize while distancing to help stop the spread of COVID-19. To learn more, visit www.alberta.ca/COVID-AB or call 310-0000. If you are in the affected area, all Albertans must follow public health restrictions. All indoor social gatherings are prohibited. New additional restrictions on indoor sports, performance, and fitness activities are in effect for hotspot regions. Grade 7 to 12 students in these regions must transition to online learning starting May 3rd. All province-wide measures continue to apply for all Albertans. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.
Keeping things